You may type Chinese character or copy and paste any Chinese text to the reading area. Click the F icon to show pinyin on top of each Chinese character. Put the cursor at the beginning of the sentence and press play button. The software will read the text in Mandarin for you. The trial version will read a license statement in between each sentences. If you do not hear a lady's voice reading the text, please go to Till and Preference, choose VW Lily at the Chinese voice option. You may convert any Chinese text into WAV or MP3 audio files for listening anytime you wish. If you like to listen to the Mandarin word by word, you may choose the spell option. Next Speak Mandarin TTS comes with Chinese Bible and some Chinese literature that you can choose to listen or for testing. Double-click the title of a poem. It will be shown on the reading area. Once you have installed Next Speak Mandarin TTS, you may use it to read Chinese text on the website. All you have to do is to highlight the text and right-click the mouse and choose Voice Assistant. Next Speak Mandarin TTS does not read text embedded with hyperlinks on websites. If you wish to read those text, you may copy and paste the text onto the reading area of the software.